The city waited 20,000 years. The planet moved through space, and the flowers of the fields grew up and fell away, and still the city waited, and the rivers of the planet rose and waned and turned to dust. Still, the city waited. The winds that had been young and wild grew old and serene, and the clouds of the sky that had been ripped and torn were left alone to drift in idle whitenesses. Still, the city waited. The city waited with its windows and its black obsidian walls and its sky towers and its unpenanted turrets, with its untrod streets and its untouched doorknobs, with not a scrap of paper or a fingerprint upon it. The city waited while the planet arced in space, following its orbit about a blue-white sun, and the seasons passed from ice to fire and back to ice, and then to green fields and yellow summer meadows. It was on a summer afternoon, in the middle of the 20,000th year, that the city ceased waiting. In the sky, a rocket appeared. The rocket soared over, turned, came back, and landed in the shale meadow 50 yards from the obsidian wall. There were booted footsteps in the thin grass, and calling voices from men within the rocket to men without.